Hey guys, MacMage here, and if you read the title of the preceding video, it was preparing you to install Renegades TV Guide. I'm so excited this is finally here. So if you want to know how to install it and make it work for you, stay tuned. What is up? I'm the MacMage, and today
everything changes.
we're going to be talking coding news and updates, so stay tuned.
Some of my favorite can't live without Google Chrome extensions
Is a known security issue. I am the MacMage. So just as a side note before we get started, I wanted to let you know I've been noticing that my video is my volume is significantly lowered in the videos that I've been doing, and I'm going to try and figure out what's going on there. It may just mean I need to get a new microphone. I'm not sure. I've known that for a while though. So bear with me, and I'm trying to fix this issue. But yes, this is the video for how to install Renegades TV Guide. Now, this actually, I believe, was launched on the 3rd of September. So they actually launched when I was out of town. And so I've had a minute to just hang back just in case they wanted to do any updates to it. Now, Renegades has been gone from Kodi for a while now, back when the anonymous scandal hit. If you want some context, the link will be in the cards. And they pulled out with a lot of other developers, and when people started coming back to Kodi, they did not. They actually stayed gone, but they never stopped working on the Renegades TV Guide project. So I would see them on Twitter all the time working on this project and telling us like little tidbits of what they were doing, and so I've been waiting for this. So this is something that I'm definitely probably going to do a few videos on as I play with this add-on a bit more. Now this is going to be a first look video. So it's gonna get, it's not gonna get completely in depth as to all of the features or anything like that. This is a first look video because I wanted to bring this to you guys, and I haven't really had a chance to play with it a whole lot. But this is, like I said, a first look video, and I'm going to take you through how to install it, and I'm going to show you how to make it work. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to Systems and File Manager. Then we're going to go to Renegades, we're going to go to Add Source, and you guys are going to add this source for Renegades, which is http://offshoregit.com/renegades/install/. And then I named mine Renegades TV Guide, but you can name it anything you'd like. Just make sure you put an asterisk, a dash, or something there to make it stay with your other sources. And then click OK. Once you do that and you've installed it, then we're going to go to Systems, Add-ons, Install from Zip File. Then scroll down until you find your Renegades TV repository and click inside. You're going to install the repository that is in there, and then go ahead and click enter, do that, all that stuff. So then we're going to go into Systems, Add-ons, click one up actually, and install from repository. I don't know why I did it the long way around. And then just go into Renegades TV, and then you're going to want to go into Videos and install Renegades TV. Now this is also going to install the program for Renegades TV, so you're going to see it in your videos as being enabled, and you're also going to see it in your program, in your programs as being enabled as well. Okay, so once you have the add-on installed, we're going to go over to Video and Video Add-ons, and then we're going to highlight the Renegades add-on, and then we're going to either press C to bring up the context menu or press the menu button depending on what device you're using, and we're going to scroll down to Add-on Settings. In Add-on Settings, you're going to notice a couple of things in here. I'm going to preface the settings by saying that I believe the settings change a little bit depending on which XML file type you are using. That being said, in Renegades TV Guide, you are going to find an abundance of XML file types. You have your main default one. You have sports, 24 hours, 7 days a week channels like Simpsons or South Park. They pick one channel and run with it for 24 hours. And then you have movies, and of course you have US, which you guys have all been wanting, UK, and then Canada, and then of course custom XML file type. So for example, I'm going to select the main theme, and it's just going to click just like that. Okay, so now what I did is I did the file interval download to every 48 hours, because for me I don't need it to be every 24. And then I left this alone, and then where it says always offer to choose stream, I deselected that, because if it what'll happen is, let's say you're going to choose like Showtime, and you find a stream that works for you, and you don't always want to have to choose a stream. If you close that, you'll choose your stream once, and then the TV guide will just open that stream automatically. So it makes it a little more fluid and more TV-like. So next, in the add-on integration, you can add super favorites here, and then you can also add the meta and metallic integrations here. If you go into appearance, you can change your skin, download more skin types, and then under startup you can choose to auto start Renegades TV with Kodi. So it won't show you your Kodi main screen, it'll show you the TV guide right when you first come into Kodi, which is also nice, gives you that TV feel as well. Over here, because my location is rural and my internet is not always the greatest, I chose to disable the OSD menu and to enable the alternative streaming methods, because if you disable this, it can help stop video stuttering. And then I left everything else alone. And then over here in your database, you can have the option of resetting everything to back to the factory settings or the manuals, the previous settings that it was when you got it. So it's kind of similar to TDB Wizard's reset everything sections. So just click OK when you are done, and then we can go on in. Now I recommend loading this TV guide for the first time with the original skin, because it looks like a really beautiful skin, but I'm trying the different ones out so that I can see which one I like best. So if you do not automatically see programming data, especially if you've just selected another XML file type, don't be alarmed. Give it at least 24 hours to load all the program content. Also, if it does not load after 24 hours, then you might want to contact the developer on Twitter, because if it's a large enough problem with the add-on, chances are they have talked about it via Twitter already. So Renegades is very good at communicating about their add-on, so I wouldn't put it past them to say something. So I am going to, just for your guys' information, check Twitter to see if they've said anything about the programs not loading. So give me a day or two to have them get back to me, so I can convey the information to you guys. Besides, this is just a first look. This is not going to go into all of the features. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose at random just the first channel here. So you can either use any of these, or if you would like, you can use your metadata to populate a list of add-ons that may house the channel that you're trying to watch. And as you can see, it has given me, well, it's still populating, so let me give it a minute. It has given me Phoenix, UK Turk, VidTime, C-Cloud. So let's go ahead and choose UK Turk for this one. And then he's got two links. I'm going to choose the first one, and it should open straight away. So it's pretty much it. It's simple and easy, and I'm really loving the way that it looks. So this is just a first look video. I really do hope you guys enjoy this TV guide. It's been a long time coming, and I'm glad to see it on Kodi finally. Much respect to the Renegades team for such a beautiful and elegant TV guide EPG. So yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, please like and share this video, of course. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you like my videos and my tutorials do help you out, your support continues to motivate me to do what it is I do. So I will catch you guys in the next one.